Good morning, students. Today I am going to start the chapter Plant Anatomy. It is a very significant chapter for examination point of view. There are several questions has been asked in NEET examination from this chapters. As the name of this chapter, Plant Anatomy, and the definition of the plant anatomy is that it is a study of the internal structure of plant organs. And due to its great contribution of the Andrew in the field of the plant anatomy, he is known as the father of the plant anatomy. And the term tissue is also given by the Andrew. And as you know that the tissue is a group of cells which are same in functions and origin. And on the basis of the development, the tissue has been divided into two types. Number one is meristematic tissue, and second is permanent tissue. So let us discuss as the term tissue term given by Andrew and father of plant anatomy. Father of plant anatomy is Andrew. Tissue is divided into two types on the basis of development. Number one is meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. And number two is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, it is made up of the living cells. And these cells have dividing capacity. Dividing capability. And the term meristem given by Nageli. Once again I am going to tell you the meristematic tissues are those tissues, their cells have the capability of division, and by this way they generate new and new cells. And basically they are found in the region where the plant is growing continuously. In that region meristematic tissues are found. And on the other hand, permanent tissues are those tissues, these cells have lost the capability of division. Their cells have lost the capability of division. Permanent tissues are further divided into three types. Number one, simple tissue. Number two, complex tissue. And number three, special tissue. Number three, special tissue. Simple tissue is a group of cells same type of cells. Simple tissue, they are a group of cells which have same type of cells. In case of the complex tissue, they are group of cells which have different type of cells. And in case of special tissue, these are group of cells which secretes different type of substances. They secrete different type of substances. Further, we will divide simple tissue into three types. Number one is parenchyma. Number two is collenchyma. And number three is sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. In case of parenchyma, cells are in case of these group of cells have thin cell wall, while in case of collenchyma they are living cells these group of cells have extra deposition of pactocellulose on its walls. While in case of sclerenchyma, they are dead group of cells. They are dead group of cells they have deposition of lignin on their cell wall. And in case of the complex tissues, these tissues are basically two types. Number one is xylem and number two is phloem. As we know very well that what are the main function of the xylem and phloem, we are studying about it since from the class of 9th and 8th. Because the main function of the xylem is to transfer water and minerals from root to all parts of the plant, and main function of the phloem is to transfer food from the leaves to the whole part of the plant body. So basically xylem are made up of the four types of cells. Number one, xylem are made up of the four types of number one, tracheids. Number two, vessels. Number three, xylem fibers. And number four, xylem parenchyma. Same in the case of the phloem. Phloems are made up of the four types of cells. Number one is seed tubes. Number two is seed tubes. Number two is companion cells. Number three is phloem fiber. And number four is phloem parenchyma. And in the last, special tissues are basically two types. Number one is laciciferous tissue, and number two is globular tissue. Further, we will discuss about the types of cells which found in xylem and phloem, along with their specific characteristics, features and their importance. So let us discuss further. Xylem, types of cells. A, first, tracheids. Tracheids. Number two, vessels. Number three, xylem fibers. And number four, xylem parenchyma. Now let us discuss its function one by one and their specific feature. Tracheids are dead tube-like structure while in case of vessels they found in angiosperms. And in case of xylem fiber, they are dead cells with dignified wall. And in case of the xylem parenchyma, they are only living cells found in xylem. These cells store food Further, we will discuss in next class about the different types of cells and their characteristic features and functions of phloem. Till then, thank you very much.